Once Google Analytics starts to receive data, the data first appears in the real-time report, and then in other reports shortly after. You can use the real-time report to confirm that data from your website is actually being collected successfully. First, check that user traffic to your website appears in Google Analytics. In your Analytics property, navigate to Reports and then Real-Time. If no data is showing, open up your website or app so that you're an active user. If data is being collected, you should see close to immediate real-time activity in the real-time report. The real-time report displays user activity that occurred in the past 30 minutes. You'll see the number of users as well as what devices are being used. For checking that data is properly being collected, you can focus on two main things. First, is there any activity shown in the past 30 minutes? Second, check that the data you expect is coming into Analytics. Look at the event count by event name card. This card shows all of the events being collected from your tag site, such as page views and any click events that you're sending. This card is interactive. You can click through an event name to get the list of parameters associated with that event. And when clicking into a parameter name, you will see the value collected for it. For example, if you click on the page view event and then on the page location parameter, you should see the URLs for all of the pages that users visited in the past 30 minutes. If any pages aren't showing up as expected, you want to review your implementation. This is a great way to debug your data collection, or to generally get a better idea of what kinds of data you're collecting. If you're still not seeing data, you may have an issue with your website tag implementation. Below, you'll find a link to the Help Center, where you can find some common issues and how to resolve them.